In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix disabled Instagram ad account. So if your Instagram ad account is disabled, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this problem. First of all, what you can do is simply check the account quality. For that, launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in this link www.facebook.com/business-support-home. Press enter. Now once you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your account overview over here. If your account has been disabled, you'll be able to see it over here. What you can do is simply request a review. If you believe the restrictions was a mistake, click on the option request review in the account quality section. Right now my account is not disabled, but what you have to do is simply prepare all the identification or business documents if requested. After you do that, you'll be able to appeal for it. The next thing that you can do is simply fix the payment issues. In the account overview interface only, you'll be able to find two options for outstanding and resolved. Make sure to click on this option, outstanding. Now if there is any outstanding balance, what you have to do is simply clear it. From here only, you'll be able to see all the outstanding balances. Simply go ahead and clear all of it. Sometimes the problem might be caused because of the policy violations. If your ads violated the policies, delete or edit the rejected ads or landing pages before appealing. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix disabled Instagram ad account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.